Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Spectra. Now Spectra is a native ad spy tool and a freemium trading program. Now if you guys don't know what is native ads, it's basically guys a powerful method to drive traffic into your offer. Now you can promote different kind of offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus. It doesn't really matter what offer that you want to promote. You can use a native ads guys to drive traffic into your offer, and Spectras can really help you guys do that because Spectra is a premium training program that comes with a native ad spy tool, so you'd be able to spy what are the high converting native ads that is currently running right now. Now let me show you guys some of the example of native ads right here. So this one is a news website. Now what's really cool about native ads guys that you can siphon the traffic from these big websites, just like a news website, just like this one. This is a big company from the Philippines, which is Inquire.net. So basically, you can siphon the traffic of this kind of website. So this one is news website. So let me show you guys the native ads right here. So they have this post right here. So this one is a blog post of this website. This one is a blog post, but this one right here is a native ads. This is an advertisement right here. How do I know? Because this one right here has this um, button right here, and this one is like has this advertisement right here. So you can use native ads guys to drive insane amount of traffic into your offer without without having to like um, letting people know that you're driving traffic into your because this one is not look like a an ads, right? It's just like a regular post into the website. So you can use this, you can use native ads to drive traffic into your offer. Now you can use clickbank. Now the creator, which is D Papa, is you know making like $200 to $300 using native ads or using the software to drive traffic into his offer. And you can do the same guys, right? Now with Spectra, you'd be able to like uncover high converting ads. You can uncover high converting landing pages. And by the way guys, when you guys pick this up, you're also gonna get access guys to a free, let me show you guys later, that you can also get like your free landing pages that you can just plug in into your campaign and use that landing pages guys, and basically like plug in your affiliate link into that landing page. Basically you don't need to search what product offer that you want to promote. It's basically providing you guys done for your products, done for your campaigns, done for your landing pages. All you have to do is like inject or plug in your affiliate link and run these ads. And inside of the Spectra, you'd be able to get access to a premium training, so you'd be able to learn how to run native ads and siphon the traffic into these websites, big companies or news websites out there, and you can drive insane amount of traffic into your offer, right? So now, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how this works, how you can easily create campaign with Spectra, all those demo of the product. Let me show you first my bonuses. Now, when you guys purchase Spectra through the link down in the description of this video, you get access, guys, to additional value of your Spectra purchase. Now, all these bonuses I custom crafted, guys. This came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences, guys, and you're gonna get this kind of bonuses to anyone else because just like I said, this came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences, and all of them is like a case study of me generating some sales and different kind of strategies. Right, so my bonus number one guys is I'm gonna show you how I generate $70 to $100 per day with clickbank using only free traffic. This is really powerful guys, right? I'm gonna show you guys what funnel that I use and what offer that I use, guys, and then what traffic that I use, guys. So you basically copy and paste what I'm doing here. That way you can generate this kind of amount of money, guys, right? Because the traffic and the offer that I use, guys, is evergreen traffic and evergreen offer, which is a really high converting offer as well. And if you wanted to use this strategy, you can also do the same, guys, and literally make $70 to $100 per day with ClickBank. Just like I said, only free traffic. Now with native ads, guys, you can uh, get great result with native ads, but you're gonna need to invest into you're gonna need to pay per ads because you cannot run ads into this if you don't want to pay per ads, right? So you basically need to have an investment with the Spectra. So I have given you access to this bonus right here. That way, if you don't want to run per ads, you can also have this free traffic strategy and drive evergreen traffic into your offer, right? So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a case study on how I make $112 from Quora. Now, this is a powerful method, guys. It's gonna blow your mind. This is not comment. This is really powerful strategy, guys, to make money from Quora, and you can also get evergreen traffic from Quora from this specific method, right? I'm gonna show you exactly a case study of how I make $112 from Quora. That is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna show you a case study on how I make $38 using a set and forget free traffic source. This is so powerful as well, guys. All right. Now I have this, a really cool, unique twist to drive free traffic into the offer. Now you can promote any kind of offer, guys, and you can drive, I know, you can drive unlimited amount of traffic using this set and forget free traffic source, right? I'm gonna reveal to you that inside of this bonus number three. Next one, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to a case study on how I make $100 over and over again just by you know chatting to email. All right. So I've created like a 15-minute video, guys, showing you exactly a case study on how I'm able to generate like $100 over and over and over again, and you can do the same with this method. This is so powerful, guys, and no one is gonna show you this strategy because just like I said, this came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences. This is so powerful, right, guys? So those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up Spectra through the link down in the description of this video. Alright, now when you guys click that link, this will take you to the sales page that looks something like this. And by the way, guys, this document is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account, and you can get instant access to this document after you purchase of Spectra. And for some reason, you get access to this document, just hit me up in my email. I'm gonna put my email below this video, that way you can always reach me out, and I'm gonna send you this document that contains this case studies right here, and you can also implement this strategy behind this method and make money as well. So yeah, so when you guys click the link below this video, it's gonna take you to this page right here. So this is the sales page of Spectra, and just like I said, the creator, which is Demetrius Papa, is literally generating like $200 to $300 in passive commission daily. Promote different offers in ClickBank, and you can also do the same, right? Now let's take a look at the pricing of this product, guys. Now for the front end, this one is like, let me show you guys. So for the front end, guys, you'd basically pay for $27, but you get access to premium training and software, all right? And you also get access, guys, to, let me show you some bonuses that right here that you can also get access to. And just like I said in the beginning of this video, you also get access to so these are some of the, let me show you this. Now this is not some bonuses. Let me scroll down a little bit. So this one right here. So you get access to these additional bonuses right here. So you get access, guys, to this three done for you template, right? That these are the done for you landing pages that you can just basically copy and pasting or plug in into your system and plug in your affiliate link into this done for you template right here. That way you don't need to create this from scratch. You basically plug in this and run or set up your campaign. All right, and bonus number two, guys, you get access to CPA bootcamp. So if you wanted to like do CPA marketing, you can also use native ads. And native ads, guys, is a really cool way as well to promote, or to do CPA marketing. You can also do that. It's a really powerful method to make money with CPA. All right. Bonus number three, guys, you get access to CPA freebooter premium CPA affiliate marketing course. Basically, you can learn how to make money with CPA affiliate offers using Google AdWords and Bing ads. Right? That is bonus number 3. Bonus number 4, you get access to a real case study inside winning widget and resources of this real life case study, right? So those are all of the bonuses from the vendor, and you all get access to all of these bonuses inside of your Wario Plus account or inside of your members area account. And these bonuses right here is waiting for you inside of your Wario Plus account. All right, so yeah, basically just read the information of the sales page. Just um, watch this video right here, guys. Right, this one right here, and have an informed decision if this is something that really wanted to invest into your affiliate marketing business. And by the way, guys, you only need to pay this per once. You don't need to pay this for monthly payment. Just only pay per once. But there's some upgrade if you wanted to upgrade your account. So this one is like an OTO number 1, which is Spectra tracking and split testing. You'll be able to track and split testing your campaign. Now the value of this is $37. Now OTO number, now there's a downsell of this, guys. Like when you try to like refuse the offer, and you'd be able to get this for only $27. That's really really awesome. All right. And then OTO number 2, guys, is done for you landers plus ads. So it's basically done for you campaigns, and the value of this for $67, because if you guys will create this from scratch, it will take you a lot of time. But this one is like a done for you landers. It basically plug in these landers and run your ads, right? And then the downsell is $37, right? And then the next one, guys, OTO number 3 is advanced training and case study and private inner circle. The value of this is $97. So those are some of the upsells within this application if you would consider upgrading your account. But that's just an option. You can still use the software if you don't wanna, you know, upgrade your account. But if you wanted to scale more, to learn more, and to make money more, then then upgrading an account is a good thing as well, right? So I'm just gonna play this video for you guys. That way you can see the power of this, how this works, how you can easily create a campaign. So I'm just gonna play this video instead of me going into the software. I'm just gonna let Deepa, which is the creator of this software, to explain to you guys the demo of this, how this works.
Hi, my name is Demetrius, and I'm going to be showing you the Spectra demo in this video. Before we get started, Spectra is a native ad spy tool and premium training teaching you how to generate commissions through native ads and through the use of our software. So basically what we're doing is, once inside Spectra, you'll be able to come and search in different ad networks or different affiliate networks on products that you like to promote. So for example, if we're looking for products on ClickBank, then we can come here and see what's being promoted right now on what network that you can take advantage of. Now, basically, what does this mean? This means that you'll be able to find an offer that's actually working right now. You'll be able to check out the landing page, and then I'm going to be giving you templates inside the training, so you don't even need to do any building, but just adding your links or changing a couple of titles. But you can see this is a tutorial where this will probably take you over to a specific offer. Now this method right here is exactly what I'm teaching you on how to set up, build, and create ads on the specific networks that you're finding. In our training, you're going to be going through Ref Content and MGID. I will have some other options available as well. Now, basically, once you find the ads that are running right now, then you can go out on Ref Content or MGID, and through my training, you'll be able to set up campaigns ready to go in no time. Now, in order to build these campaigns, we have to find some unique images that other affiliates are not using or other marketers are not using. And I do provide you with the option of actually researching for more images, unique images that you can expand through a simple trick that I have inside the main training area. We're also offering you the ability to look outside of ClickBank or other marketplaces that you probably didn't know existed. And we're offering you inside your Spectra account the ability to go out and find specific offers in specific keywords or categories that you're looking for. in so many networks that it's unreal how many we have available, and for whatever category you're looking for, and for whatever country, right from inside your dashboard. From here, you'll be able to go out and find, for example, the offer, and then you'll be able to run the offer because it'll take you over to Max Bounty to sign up, to create your account, or to any of the other options that we have for you, not just Max Bounty, but so the saved ads is also a place where you're going to be saving the ads that you're researching, so you can go out and start creating ads on Ref Content. You have everything in a file ready to go for you to search for even more stuff. We are also providing you with a tracking tool that's built inside Spectra. Keep in mind, this is an upsell part of our funnel for Spectra, but our tracking tool is so powerful that it allows you to pinpoint exactly where you're making sales, from which widgets, from the sites that you're running your ads to, so you can start eliminating inside your campaigns through the widget targeting and also the ad targeting. For example, in this specific campaign, I know that my offer is telling me that I made a sale on a specific ad copy, ad content, and plus the widget ID that allows me to eliminate from the widgets that are running right now with your offers, allowing me to block and choose the ones that are working for me right now. These sales are telling me where the sale is coming from, what the ad ID is, which basically says the 7830828. 7830828 is the one that's converting. Plus, it's converting on this widget ID. And if I go into my widget targeting, I'm going to be able to pinpoint the actual widget. And this widget is the one that's bringing me sales, where I can up the bids on it and focus more on my traffic so I don't spend more than what I have to. Not only do we provide you with just tracking, but we also provide you with a split testing tool, which is another upsell, where on here you can add a second page if you wanted to split test 2 pages, for example. And then from here, you'll be able to check out the actual split testing results. So if you're running a campaign, then you'll know that this specific page converted for me, etc. By having this information, you'll be able to go out and scale with your campaigns on ClickBank. The different sales that you get, they'll let you know where you're getting your sales from because of our tracking. So if you are going to jump in, make sure you pick up everything that we're offering and all the features inside Spectra, because this is going to be the easiest way that anybody's going to be generating commissions overnight with huge ROIs. You'll be getting huge ROIs. For example, the latest sale that I made, it was this one right here. With 18 clicks, $5.40, I was able to generate 96.98 cents in sales. This to me is something that shows me that what I have works, and I've been doing it consistently. Even my customers and my beta users are getting results. So my software will help you eliminate any type of error, and you'll be able to basically build your campaigns, scale your campaigns without paying more than what you have to. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I'll talk to you inside Spectra.